Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I paint fire or flames without the use of the one-stroke technique. I've loaded my number 4 round with orange face paint and I'm going to draw the outline of the fire first. And once I'm done laying down the shape that I want, I'm just going to fill it in with orange face paint. Once that is all filled in and dry for the most part, I'm going to load my brush up with black and use the tip of the brush to go into the recesses or the deep curves of the fire to give it some depth and shadow. I'm also going to do some slight outlining around some of the edges of the fire. Once that's done, I'm just going to go in and add a few highlights to give my fire some pop. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. And remember, it's not about perfection, but about loving what you do and the joy your art brings.